Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up TechPorn. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Setting up TechPorn is quick and easy. So first what you need to do is head over and open up your app store. Then on the search bar type in TechPorn and look for an app icon like this once the search result loads. Then simply tap on it and you'll be getting a get button right here. Simply tap on that and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Then once downloaded, what you need to do is tap on open, and then once inside, what you need to do is tap on sign up. Then enter your username, your email address, your password, and agree to the terms and conditions. Then tap create account. Then once created, what you need to do is choose a free phone number. What you need to do now is simply tap on this three horizontal bar on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then here you'll find an option that says tap to get your free TechPorn number. Simply tap on that, and now choose your bundle and tap on continue and follow the on-screen prompts to successfully get a free number. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.